Every single second, over 3,200 packages are launched into the global supply chain. By the end of this year, the world will have moved a staggering 260 billion parcels. But behind these astronomical numbers lies a terminal flaw in our infrastructure: the last mile. This final leg of the journey, the short distance from a local distribution hub to your front door, is the most expensive, most complex, and most environmentally damaging step in history. In the past, we relied on a single driver in a fossil fuel-powered van to navigate a labyrinth of city streets, traffic jams, and apartment complexes. It was a one-to-one delivery model that simply couldn't scale. But today, the last-mile challenge isn't being solved on the road, it's being solved in the air. We're witnessing the birth of autonomous drone delivery, or ADD, a system that is no longer just a gimmick for small parcels, but a fundamental pillar of global trade. When people think of drones, they usually imagine small quadcopters dropping off a pizza or a bottle of medicine. While companies like Zipline and Amazon Prime Air have perfected that small-scale delivery, the real revolution in 2026 is happening at the industrial level. We are now seeing the deployment of massive autonomous cargo drones, capable of shipping full-size containers across oceans and entire continents. Enter the era of blended wing body freighters. Giants like the Nautilus and the Droneliner have redesigned what air freight looks like. By removing the cockpit, life support systems, and the crew, these autonomous behemoths are essentially flying hulls. They're unpressurized, ultra-efficient, and capable of carrying up to 350 tons of cargo. These drones can cross 6,500 nautical miles in a single flight, bridging the gap between the speed of a jet and the cost efficiency of a cargo ship. They are shipping containers across the Atlantic and Pacific at a 90% reduction in traditional handling costs, bypassing congested ports and moving goods directly to inland airports. This is transoceanic shipping, reinvented for the autonomous age. But how do we manage thousands of these machines without creating chaos in the skies? This is where the science of the vehicle routing problem with drones, or VRPD, comes into play. In 2026, we don't just fly drones, we optimize them using complex mathematical models. We use hybrid delivery systems where a ground-based mother truck acts as a mobile hive. As the truck moves through a neighborhood, it launches a swarm of drones to handle dozens of unique addresses simultaneously. This requires solving the flying sidekick traveling salesman problem in real time. Algorithm must account for stochastic demand, the unpredictable nature of when and where people order goods, while managing the critical constraint of battery life. To keep these swarms airborne, the industry has deployed a global network of autonomous charging stations. Drones can now land on moving public buses or repositioning hubs to swap batteries in under 60 seconds, ensuring that the delivery flow never stops. The shift to drones isn't just about corporate profits, it's a response to a changing planet. The transportation sector has historically been a massive emitter of greenhouse gases. By replacing heavy, idling delivery vans with lightweight electric-powered drones, we are drastically reducing the carbon footprint of every click. Furthermore, the legacy of the contactless era has made drone delivery a permanent fixture of public health. Whether it's biological tests for hospitals or essential groceries for those in remote areas, the drone provides a sterile, efficient bridge between the supplier and the consumer. As we look at the horizon of 2026, the landscape of logistics has been permanently altered. The sky is the new Silk Road. From the micro-drone dropping a hot meal on a city balcony to the massive autonomous freighter crossing the ocean with 80 shipping containers, the friction of distance is disappearing. The logistics related to drones was once uncharted territory, but today it is common knowledge. We have integrated these systems into our laws, our architecture with drone ports, and our daily lives. The last mile is no longer a challenge, it's a solved equation. The revolution hasn't just arrived, it's overhead.